In this video, we'll talk you through what's shown on your screen when viewing a chart on a date. Viewing a chart on an individual date is as easy as selecting from the drop-down menus. You can start a date search from several places. Here, we're looking at the advanced search page. You can also start a date search by clicking the tab on the home page circled here, or from the search bar that's in the upper right corner of your screen when you're viewing results. For any kind of search, the results are always shown in this same tabular format with the same columns. When you're viewing a Spotify chart, you'll see data in the stream count column, which shows how many times a song has been streamed since 2017. By default, the top 3 items on your results are always selected to display in the graph at the top of the page. You can expand the range of positions displayed in the left side menu here. By default, only the top 10 are displayed. Click the plus sign to save an item to your clipboard for making custom graphs. Your clipboard is in a floating window in the lower right corner. You can investigate any recording or artist in the chart simply by clicking on their name. This will take you to that entry's full global chart history. As in every view, use the left side menu to change the data that's displayed in the main table. The name and date of the chart you're viewing is shown here. Clicking the date opens this submenu, which allows you to go to the previous or following week's chart. Expand the range of chart positions being displayed by clicking here. Quickly reference a chart's inception date by clicking the link here. Click the yellow button to export your data to spreadsheet. Please note that the spreadsheet will only include the data that is currently shown in the main window, so make sure you've set the chart positions to the range that you need.